In the heart of the enchanting landscapes of Tripura, a transformative project is underway, bringing hope and prosperity to the self-help group members through the Joint Forest Management Committees and the support of the Japan International Cooperation Agency (JICA). A total of 1,249 SHGs out of a planned 1,350 have been formed, weaving a network of empowerment and sustainability. With a vision to uplift lives and boost livelihoods, JICA extended a helping hand in the form of a revolving fund. A significant moment arrived when 458 SHGs received loans worth rupees 1 lakh each to kickstart their piggery activities. The impact has been profound, touching the lives of 4,580 beneficiaries across 7 districts and Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary. But that's not the end of the story. In a heartening twist, 28 of these enterprising SHGs successfully repaid their loans and, fueled by their own determination, applied for loans once again. As these loans get repaid, an outstanding estimate of rupees 2,29 lakh will flow back into the hands of these dedicated SHG members, amplifying the positive impact on their livelihoods. The Tripura JICA project is not just about financial support, it's about nurturing dreams, fostering self-reliance, and securing a sustainable future for the people and the environment. In Tripura, the journey of transformation continues, one SHG at a time, as they build a better tomorrow for themselves, their families, and their beloved land. Tripura JICA project is contributing the development of the livelihood of the SHG members through the JFMC by providing revolving fund.